Hi there, this video is to help you understand how to find and use the thousands of ebooks that IADT Library has access to. In this video, we'll cover finding ebooks. We cover finding online journal articles in another video. To start, I'll show you where to find the library online. You can navigate to us from the main IADT homepage by clicking the plus icon at the top right and then clicking Library under the Services section. Or the direct URL is library.iadt.ie. To search for ebooks, first click on Our Collections in the top menu, the button furthest to the right. Then click eBooks and finally click Search the ebook collection. This will take you to the ebooks site. Don't worry about logging in anywhere yet. You will be asked to do this in due course. In the search bar in the centre of the screen, enter the title of the book, the subject, or the author you are looking for, and hit Enter. Then you will see the search results list. The first and most important thing to do is to click the box that says Owned and Subscribed to by my library on the left-hand side of the screen. This makes sure that you will have permission to read the books in the results list. Otherwise, it could be frustrating to see books you can't access. Also on the left-hand side, you can narrow down your search results by year published, by subject, by language, and by author. Once you see a book you would like to read, click on the title of the book. You will be brought to the book's landing page. You'll see options to read the book online, to download the book, and to download a PDF chapter. If you scroll down, you can see the contents and sections, and there's options to download each chapter or to read it online. If you want to download all or part of the book, you should take note of the download limits shown here on each book's landing page. Due to copyright restrictions, you can only download a certain amount of the book. This varies from book to book and from publisher to publisher. This is one of the reasons we recommend reading the book online in your browser, as you won't be limited in any way. To read the book online, click Read Online. You will be brought to this reading platform. There's a huge amount of functionality within the online reader. Firstly, on the left, there is the results of what you searched for in the beginning. You can also search for something new within the book. The results of your search are shown visually here in the blue bars next to each chapter. The more blue in the bar, the more your search words turn up in that section of the book. You can then click one of the bars and a drop-down menu opens up showing you exactly where the words appear. You can click the bulleted list icon to be brought to the table of contents and click any chapter you want to be brought directly there. And you can click the star icon to see any notes or bookmarks you've made, which we'll show how to do shortly. At the top of the page, starting from the right, there are functions to skip to a precise page number and to zoom in and out. The next few buttons going left will require you to log in to IADT to use. Remember that your username to log in is your student number, not your email, and your regular IADT password. Once you are logged in, you can make a bookmark, make a note, and highlight. These notes and bookmarks appear under the star icon menu on the left. There is a button to get the citation for the book in whatever style you need, saving you some time at the end of your assignment. You can link to the book on the page you're on. You can also add this book to your personal bookshelf. Adding something to your bookshelf means saving it for later so that you don't have to search and find it all over again. To find what you saved, click Bookshelf at the top right of the screen. Here you can file your books into different folders. Your annotations and highlights will be saved here too. You can print a section of the book. Again, note the page limits. This will save as a PDF, which you can then open and print. The copy button brings up the text on the page in a way that allows you to select, copy, and paste it into an assignment. We don't recommend using this unless you are inserting a quote, as this could be considered plagiarism. The PDF button allows you to save the current chapter as a PDF. And finally, we have the full download button. This is an option to use if you need to download the book to read it on your computer, or you need to access it offline. Firstly, confirm you are using your personal computer and click Continue. Downloading the full book requires you to use a third-party software called Adobe Digital Editions. If you need to download the software, you can click the orange button to do so. If you already have the software installed, click I'm done with this step. Downloading through Adobe Digital Editions is taking out a virtual loan of the book, complete with a loan period. Sometimes the loan period is set for you, and sometimes you have the option to choose how long you want to borrow the book for from a drop-down menu. Whether you select to download EPUB or PDF, once you have saved the file and open it, it will open up using Adobe Digital Editions and fulfill your loan. When the loan period expires, the book will automatically be returned and be unreadable for you anymore. To remove a returned book from your library, or a book you just don't need anymore, right or control-click on the book in your library and select Remove from Library. There's less functionality using Adobe Digital Editions than there is with the online reader. The only real options are searching, bookmarking, skipping to each chapter using the contents list, and changing text size. This is a major reason why we recommend reading the book online where possible. Back in the online reader, clicking the back button on your browser, you will be brought back to the book's landing page. Some small other functions include the Cite button again on the left-hand side, and if you click Show More on the right, it brings up a list of clickable subjects related to the book, which can help you find more books on the same topic. So that's the basics of finding ebooks through the library website and making the most of the functionality to make your research easier. Please do remember that library staff are here to help you. You can contact us by email at infolib@iadt.ie or by using the chat function on the website. We're happy to answer any questions you have, or even do a one-on-one session where we'll talk you through things and help you with your research. Thank you for watching.